Today I'm going to talk about this really cool feature called margin markup rules that will allow you to add your management fee, your markup into the cost information and share with your clients. It's a very simple, easy way to communicate that message to your clients, and it's a very simple process to apply the rule, and it's very flexible, so you can add that markup either on a client level or on a service level. So, and it's a few simple steps that I will walk you through right now. In order to proceed to margin rules, you go to administration, and under the administration you find the margin rules, and from here you can select a client. So let's say this particular client called Cash Stop, and from services I'm gonna choose Facebook ads, and then you can apply the date range there, and finally the value, the percentage, let's say it's 25%. I'm adding it, and that's really it. So once you add that markup, the value, the platform will take and automatically calculate all of your cost information, whether it's your cost per click, whether it's total cost. So everything will be it will get affected. And obviously from agency perspective, all you need to do is really drop the original, replace it with the markup cost. And then you can add that to your reports, and clients will see one number.